Press the button.
What am I meant to say?
I don't know. You got us in this. You're the driver. Now you've seen everyone else do it, so you know what can go wrong. Okay, so round we go. First things first, you got to get yourself a ticket without hitting the curb. Without hitting the curb. Without hitting the curb. There we go. Maybe I said it 4 times. We might have. Here we go. First part good. Off the curb.
So.
Where did you reach? You have extra long arms. I'll take that. Off you go then. You've stalled now. Now you're going backwards, Belle.
This is not a good start.
Not a great start. What's the curb on the left? Oh my god. So there's 2 curbs. We haven't even got in the car park yet, Belle. Just imagine, you've passed your driving test, you've gone driving over as fast as you can, well, legally can, to the Newland shopping centre to do some shopping. This is you going in a multi-storey car park for the first time.
Is there a speed limit?
You're just hitting the curb on the right. It's further curbing. I think you might want to come to my side a little bit. Just a thought. You've come to do some shopping at Pep & Co. Or Poundlands. Feels like my wheels are being scraped up on the right hand side, Belle.
They're not.
They're not.
I'm checking.
Is it not?
In my mirror, yeah.
Oh, yeah, good. See, it's not so bad. You got a bad neck. Your head seems to be locked at 45 degrees. Look around you, Belle. Danger could come from anywhere. You're going to the left again, Belle. You go on the yes. Have I got any tyres left? That's 4 scrapings, 2 curbings, and a stall. Sounds like a really bad film from here.
I didn't even stall on the actual thing. I just stopped getting it.
Oh right, I did stall in the car park. Good.
Does that count?
I don't know. Well, follow it down.
I could have gone down there.
Could have gone down there. So we'll go around. Got another floor to go up here. Haven't even parked it yet. So how many marks out of 10 would you give yourself for your negotiation on the multi-storey car park so far?
It's not great.
If it's a school report, what would it say? Could do better.
Yeah. Areas of improvement.
Yes, there is certainly facility. There's certainly potential for improvement. That's the good news. You can hit this at 100 miles an hour as well, aren't you? Right, up we go one more. It's the Newland Shopping Centre.
I've never been in there.
No. I think you probably have. Up again. Well, an ominous amount of scaffolding holding this place up, isn't there? Now, if you focus on the left curb, it'll bring you over, and you won't hit the curb on the right. Just a thought. So focus on staying over to the left, and the right will take care of itself. Lovely. Look at that. That's good. Looks a bit ominous up here, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Right then. Give us a reverse bay park.
On this floor?
On this floor.
Okay.
I suggest you choose a bay in the middle between the concrete posts. Just a thought.
Okay.
Give us a right one then. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can't remember if I do I fall up straight.
No, when you get to your reference point back there, isn't it? Full up then, full up. So look around to make sure no one's coming down on the bicycle. Okay, slow. Just clutch her occasionally.
Yeah.
Yes, looking around you. Try that side. Look at that. And then straighten her up. That's it. You can go straight back there. Straight back until middle of the bay. Back there?
Yeah.
How well have you done there?
I don't know.
Let's have a look. Open the doors. Are you in your side?
Yeah.
Ask me.
Are you?
Yes.
Okay.
That's right in the bang in the middle. That's really good.
Yeah.
Touch over rotated, but certainly not enough to mark you down.
Okay.
Well done. There we are. Now you could get out and you could go to Pep & Co at Poundland if you wanted to. Or whatever shops they have in the Newlands shopping centre. Sure, there's a whole range of sure it's the right day out. Off we go then. Drive up and drive around, we'll head out. Hopefully I don't have to pay for this experience.
It's cash only, though.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, shut up. No.
No, it is.
When?
It said on the thing. I thought you saw.
No.
I'm not. I wish I was joking.
I got credit cards. Cash only?
Yeah, it was like due to.
Why is it a money laundering? Is it a money laundering? Is it a money laundering operation or
So
something?
I hope we don't have to pay, because otherwise we're not getting out. We're going to be stuck
Cash
in it
only
forever.
car park. Cash only multi-storey car park.
Yeah.
Whatever next? You must have misread that.
No.
No way.
Unless it said card only. No, it said cash only.
Did it?
Because I remember it was on like a piece of paper. Maybe it was old. Maybe that was an old notice.
I'm just chosen not to take it down. Oh my.
I
It
don't
must
know.
be catching up here then. If that's the thing. There's the top of the Newlands shopping centre. Look, there it is. Little glass day. It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, lovely. I feel like going down is going to be really scary.
Yeah.
Is it?
Oh, it's terrifying.
Do I have to like proper stay on the brake?
No, you use engine braking. Best you can. So really think about it. Once you set, it's a circle, isn't it?
Yeah.
So once you set it, you don't need to change it. It should be alright. It's just finding that circle. There you go. Look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Keep
And
them going.
then-
There we go. Keep them going. It's dizzy going now. Oh god. It's like a really bad roller coaster.
Yeah.
Oh, careful on the left there. Lovely. Well done. We were certainly a lot better going down than we were going up.
Yeah. I'm really quite nervous.
Are you? Right. That's it. Good. I want to stop. Yeah, remove it. Go on. Insert ticket. Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Richard.
Go on. What's it
It's
say?
saying. It
Oh.
said. Oh no.
Oh no, press for help.
It said. Exit time limit expired. Pay it.
Oh, how are you going to do that?
But how
Press
do
the
you
button.
pay?
Press the help button. Press the button.
What am I meant to say?
I don't know. You got us in this. You're the driver.
Should I say I turned into the wrong?
Yes, you made the wrong mistake. You're the learner. Made a silly mistake. Hello, how can I help?
Hi, I'm a learner driver and I've took the wrong turn in and now I can't get out of the car park.
Yeah, it's no problem at all. I'll look the barrier for you.
Thank you. Which way am I?
Okay, just I don't care. Just get out. If we're changing their mind.
Okay.
Round to the right, please. Round to the right. Second gear. Oh, Belle.
Whew.
Phew. We didn't have cash.
Got a bit worried then.
Yeah, that's
I
cash
literally
only.
thought we weren't going
Plus
to
it
get
looked like
out.
we didn't have any cash about us.